Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find content you've liked on Instagram. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Instagram, click on your profile icon on the bottom right, and click on the three lines on the top right. Once you're on here, you should see your activity, so you want to select that. Then you should see likes at the top, so you can just click on there. This will just bring up all the content that you've liked, and then you can select them if you want, and obviously unlike them. You can also just click on them as well, and that'll bring you to that post itself if you want to have another look through it. So that's how you can find content you've liked on Instagram. Thanks for watching.